Okay, so in the last session, I am stuck in some split. When you do
Yeah.
something in split, so I am stuck on there. Okay, so again I do complete process.
Mm-hmm.
Just I create the project. New project. SP SPNet core 102. Description non-mandatory. On here, Git by default. On here, we are doing Agile.
Yeah.
This is I
Agile.
am selecting Agile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I create the project on here. Now, again, something brings up. So on here, summary, go to the summary dashboard. Okay, this you need to understand this is widget. This
Yeah.
okay, you understand these things. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine.
scrolling down all things. है ना?
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, big key. Now you can
Yeah.
understand also big key.
Yeah.
What are
Each
the
pages we can create more description on the project.
correct.
Yeah.
This thing you can understand.
Yeah.
After that, go to the board.
Mm-hmm.
Now on here,
You first need to create work item or feature you need to create.
yeah. First I create the agile.
Yeah.
This is agile. Okay. So go on here board. Okay. You can also discuss on this how to show this data. Now I
Mm-hmm.
create on here first. Go to the board. Go to the backlog. Backlog on here. Select the epic. Create the epic. Just like example, um, website update. Website updates. Then create. Okay. Now go to the backlog. Stories feature.
Yeah.
Okay. Now on here, select these things. Select epic. Okay. Now on here, now you can see on here.
Yeah.
I
Mm-hmm.
create this epic. Inside this epic, okay. First, you can create work from the work item. Okay, create the
Mm-hmm.
epic. Then come on the backlog and select on your setting. Okay, setting. Then click the checkbox. Okay, then the
Mm-hmm.
checkbox. Then again click. Then on drop down. On here come these things. Okay. Now
Yeah.
select the epic. Now on here mouse over add feature. Okay,
Yeah.
this mainly because this is a tree structure.
Mm-hmm.
So after first I just create the discard image. Okay, epic. I again I create the epic one more. Mm, बनी जे epic first service status. Service status. Okay, so go on the backlog. We have two epic. One is a Okay, this is some naming convention issue.
Yeah.
Edit. Not in. Okay. Now I add the feature on here. Add the feature web pages. The feature web pages. Second, I add on here
Link
improve
update. Yeah.
improve user experience.
Mhm.
Improve user experience. Experience. Second, we can add emotional feedback. Emotional feedback. Enabled. Emotional feedback enable correct. Save. Okay, there is a 3 feature. Now inside the feature,
User
we
story.
get user story. Correct. I create the cancel order. Okay, this is a user story. Now on here, uh, again one create the story. Hello world. Website. Okay, we have two user story. Now
Mhm.
inside this story, I have created the task. Okay,
Task.
like task change background color. Okay. Now another is task change page layout. Now again create develop about page. Okay. Now
Mhm.
there is a 1, 2, 3.
Task 3.
Uh, okay, task. Okay, and we have also created the bug like slow response, slow response on form. Okay, slow response on form. This is a bug, and also we have created one bug. Uh, secure sign in. Okay, so these things on here in this epic feature user story.
Mhm.
Inside the user story we have task bug.
Task
Okay,
bug.
okay, now I have created the another in the service status we have created the feature.
Mhm.
Service status we have created the service support. Okay, in the service support we have created the user story.
User story.
uh, look up service outlet, service, service outlet. This is user story. I just connect. This is user story, and inside the user story, we
Create
have
task.
created task. Uh, in the story, we have created a bug.
Yeah, you can either one you can create.
We have to on here. This done, done, go, done, and voicemail hanging, and take status with service. Okay, these things on here we have,
Yeah,
and now but this is a task.
yeah.
So
I want to
we want to
sprint.
sprint. Okay.
Mhm.
So I first assign this task. Okay, I
Yes,
assign this task. One is task assigned to Chansekar.
Mhm.
Second task assigned to Chansekar Mishra, and okay, third task Chansekar, and also on here one
And
task
bug
assigned.
also you need to assign. Bug also you need to assign.
Yeah, yeah. Also bug we can
The
work.
similar way. Mhm.
Bug we can assign to the Chansekar.
Mhm.
And this pulse also assigned to the Chansekar. Okay, two bug assigned. Now, okay, if you will change first, I check these things. Uh, Go to the work item. Okay, now you can see assign filter. How many tasks assigned to the Chansekar? Three tasks
Yeah.
assigned to the Chansekar. Okay, and again uncheck how many tasks assigned to Chansekar Misra. Okay,
Mhm.
okay. Now how many tasks are unassigned? This is
Unassigned.
unassigned. Okay, this is a unassigned task. Now, okay, now back go to the backlog. Now, okay. So later after that we want to do the split. Okay,
Mhm.
to this side inside this is a split. Okay,
Mhm.
so if you want to change the name, change the name. Mm, okay. First person backlog. I drag and drop on iteration one.
Okay.
Okay, so this
Mhm,
assign on this on here.
mhm,
This develop about page drag and drop on here and secure. This is a bug. Secure sign in assign to the iteration 3.
mhm.
Now,
But it is by default it's coming the three iteration, right? We can
yeah.
also
If you want to
modify
remove, yeah, if you want to remove
remove
on here,
settings.
uh, actually, this setting come on.
Okay, now you have to click those. You have to click the item, then maybe click on iteration one.
This is iteration 1.
Yeah,
Okay, I just assign on here.
okay. And if I delete this
Yeah,
sprint,
yeah. If you want to delete, now
okay,
I
okay,
can
from here,
delete.
okay, from delete the okay, okay. Don't delete now.
Yeah, just delete. Now again backlog.
Mhm.
Okay, so I
You can add.
delete affected 0.
Mhm.
Again go to the on here, but not deleted. Just I delete this task.
And uh, on the
Now,
in the sprint, we can also define the timeline, right?
yeah, we
Like,
can also define the timeline. All things we can do. Okay,
mhm,
so I delete. So on here, no task is one on here, no
mhm.
task. Okay, now again assign on here. Also change the name, but maybe I. mm,
You
uh,
can open it then. I think just click then you have to
yeah,
change it. Just click on that. Yeah, now here I think
eh,
column option. I don't know.
I remove.
It doesn't give me.
Remove on here. No,
No, it's not here.
and no.
Or maybe that column is different. Column options. You can add more columns.
Yeah, that column. This is a column option. You can add the column. Okay, if you want to more
Yeah,
column,
yeah.
then you
Yeah,
can add on here in the drop down. You can add.
yeah. hmm
Okay, which column you want to show, then you can add the column and you can show. But this is not deleting on here. Hmm. Yes, I create the new split.
Yeah,
Then
you
I,
can give a new name.
yeah, I give the name is
Mhm.
uh, split split 4 or split hyphen March. Okay, split hyphen date we can assign on here. Next March 1 March to 10 March.
Mhm.
1 March to 10 March. Okay, this is a this is a project name. This
Yep.
is a project name. This is project name. Okay, this is not added on here because split.
No, it's saying you cannot create more. It's
Yeah,
only you have to use the existing one.
yes. I create more, but I'm not saved that.
Okay. Okay.
I select one. I go to the March 10 and select project this. Now create. Creating. It is taking time, more time.
Yeah.
Okay, so I assign that this task, and I again one more task. Here. Okay. So and on here also assign task.
So in one sprint, we can put multiple tasks, right?
Yes,
In the same deadline, same timeline.
yes, multiple tasks. One sprint we can assign the multiple
But
tasks.
also, we should assign the sprint to someone, or um,
Yeah, yeah,
it's
actually,
only
yes. That task which actually this sprint we can assign someone. Okay, I just check first I assign the task.
yeah. You already assigned the tasks someone already.
I go backlog. Okay, on here open. Okay, on here not task showing like on here not data showing user story cancel order. Here data is going on here inside the user story.
Yeah.
We have task and work. We have uh, not showing
No,
on
we did
here.
not add anything on the. Only we added on web pages.
I just I showing on here
No,
on parent item.
yeah, unparented.
Okay. Okay, just I delete this iteration. I assigned assigned now. Okay, actually I delete this task from here. Now that task is delete from here.
Mhm.
That reason. Lookup and on here script and timing assigned to. Okay, so on here assign this task bug to Chandrasekhar that is showing on here. Now if we want to show this task, okay, also assign on, on here on here also assign. In the script, if you want to suppose that you have created the task for work and go to the you have created the script. After that, if you want to do that task to the and if you unassign, then you can if you want to assign, then on here in the script you can assign this task. Okay,
Mhm.
if you want change this assign to Chandrasekhar, then you can and assign to another person in the
This is
sprint.
inside
Inside the sprint, you can change the
in the sprint. Okay.
assigned person. Now this is a sprint and timing. Okay. This is deleted. Just I create again. Why this delete is? I create the item again. Task cancel. Hello world. Feature inside the feature and okay. So I create one split on here. Now this is not deleting. Why not deleting these things? Okay. Now create the one split this. Okay. One split. Okay. If you want to create the another split on here, split on is till split. You have any question? What
I
you
don't
are
know.
saying?
It's fine. Mhm.
Now after split, then stand up and assign the this split. Okay, that okay. This on here. Go to the split. Split. Okay, we have this split. Split march. And if you want to create new split, okay, on there, new split also on here. You can create new split and assign the task. Like we have created the task from March. Okay, split March. Then and if you want to create the split March mm, or split April
Mhm.
and split April, split April project. This is a project. Okay, now create. Go again backlog. One question on here. Suppose
Hmm.
I have one task assigned to the to split or not. Like Canadian address done so. Check status permission. Okay.
Hmm.
On here. Split one. I want to show the same things on Canada is not so on here. I add on here. Now open that split on here. Okay. This is
Hmm.
a also you can do the same things. Suppose you have
Yeah.
created the one task and one task divided into the two split. Then you can do on here. Now select the drop down, merge. Okay. Okay. You can see merge. I just can you check what is the difference on here?
Hmm.
uh, Canadian days, you can see Canadian days don't show display this task
Hmm.
first in the March. Okay,
Hmm.
when I reassign, then remove the task
Yep.
from the March.
Hmm. You put it in the April.
Yeah, this task remove from the
Yeah, March,
March and assign this task into the April.
April.
Again, same things I do. Okay, this again move. Go to the again
Hmm.
backlog, and on here. Okay, this I again this drag and drop in March. Okay,
It will
now
come
again
again.
go to the
It
split
will
on
come back.
here.
Hmm.
Okay, now come back
To the
and
March again.
go to the
Nothing is
April.
nothing.
Nothing. Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Now understand this is me because this
Yeah.
last stage
So
is
now
split.
just try to get the sprint. Why you use sprint only to maintain multiple tasks uh, in a time duration, right? To
Yes, yes. Actually, a split is a duration, correct? And
yeah.
suppose that we have in 1 week I complete this task. Through
Hmm.
this split, assign the time duration and after time duration we have created the split. Suppose that we have 10 tasks or um, uh, 5 bug and that is assigned in the one split and
Hmm.
manager said in this week I complete this one split. Okay, and go to the one split like I go to the suppose that I am manager or you are manager
Hmm.
and you are saying that I in the March month I completed this split March. Okay,
Hmm.
so inside this task we have two tasks. This assigned one is Chandrasekhar, second is Chandrasekhar. Come in the room, then say Chandrasekhar, you complete this task in this March, and another person Chandrasekhar, this complete this task in this
Hmm.
March. Check status permission. So we want to complete this March split in this month in this duration.
Hmm.
So for that purpose we have created a split. If you want to remark task, you can assign name task purpose. You can assign on here.
Okay.
This is a split one here, and this is I do these things from the agile process.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
now
Got it. Hmm.
now if you want to create with the basic, then also we can do this same process with the basic. Just I back again. Okay, now you can see also same things. I create the task. Uh, okay, this is a hello world with website. This item. Now, if you want to drag and drop, this is a active state. Okay,
Yeah.
I can show on this. This is the active state, and this is new task. Now, after that, same things.
We can move it to yeah. dissolve
resolve.
or closed.
Okay, and and if you want to close, then on here
Yeah,
this
yeah.
closed.
And also you can add multiple columns if we need it.
Yeah, also you can add multiple columns on
Yeah,
here.
columns from new. Okay.
Uh, Also move to the new
Yeah.
resolve iteration. Okay, all things on here showing. In
Mhm,
which speed this is showing. Add
mhm.
task. Also add the task on here. Add bug on here and edit title. These things also
Now,
on here.
what is at test? What is at test?
Add test like test one.
So the task need to be tested by tester, QA. Oh, no.
Yeah, this is this things is test one. Yeah, this is for the
Yeah.
tester purpose. Okay, because they run manually test with the web runner. Okay,
Okay.
so this is for the test QA. These things for the QA. Pass test.
Okay. Pass and
Okay,
fail. Yeah. Okay.
pass
The pass
test,
test.
fail
Just
test, block
check
test.
mark on pass test.
Pass test.
Mhm.
Okay, then
Okay. Then
check
it'll
box
give the
check
green arrow. Okay.
green. If I failed, then it is failed.
Yeah. hmm
And then if you want to run test,
hmm
then this coming on here. According parameter, all things on here. Test one is create bug. Okay, save and close. Address, address, scroll, screenshot, audio. Error achievement. Save and close. Zero pass, zero failed, one another.
hmm Yeah.
Okay, these things also on show on here. Test cases. This bug, this task, this test cases on here. Okay, according can do for the queue purpose. Like again, go to the on here now. Task bug into okay, on not on here. Q things is not showing on here. Only show on there in the board. In the board, this test cases. Click on here. Test cases on here. Okay, these things for the queue. Okay, now we can see on here failed by and pass by this time pass. All
hmm
history on here. Now this you can see the history failed. Now pass. All history on so on here. Okay, now understand these things.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's clear.
Now I change. Okay, I create the new project. I create a new project again.
Mhm.
Go
So
to the
I have a question now. Let's say this work item. So let's say I'm I have a project in GitHub. Okay.
yes. These things. Suppose
So
I have.
so yeah.
So first, actually, suppose that I have project. Okay, I have we have manager. Then
Mhm,
first I uh, discuss with the business how this project, what is this work in the project. Okay, what is the requirement or what is the task on here. All things
mhm,
now we have discussed or with the team or with the business team. Now
mhm,
I create the workflow. So
mhm,
after the workflow, we have create the how many features we have, how many story, how many all things we
task
have
you have.
create, we have task, we have create all things. Okay,
Hmm.
after
Hmm.
that move to the project code, code level.
Yeah.
Then for
Code
that we
level.
have
Yeah.
create the git
Hmm.
or
Git. Hmm.
git, we can use git or devops.
Yeah. Yeah. DevOps is better. So now my question is like, let's say I want to track all these the project I am doing on GitHub. Okay. So let's say I have code all the code repositories also in GitHub. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, so in that case, how the project board will update automatically? Like let's say I'm working in GitHub and I'm giving some update there. Okay, so I completed this. I completed this. So it will get automatically synced to the DevOps project board.
on here this is not automatic thing on here. Manager just I on go on here. Okay, go on here, and I
Hmm.
have we have we have this is active state. Okay,
No, no,
now,
I think through the workflow it is possible. Yeah. So in the if in the GitHub, so let's say you just type something completed, and you have to give the reference number. Then it will also it's I was reading. It is possible maybe.
yeah, just I try, but
Yeah.
still I'm
Hmm.
not, but I will try that things. I go to
Yeah.
the git,
Hmm.
then I go to the code, then I do the things.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so
We'll come. Yeah. When we'll get the CI/CD pipeline, then yeah, we can
yeah,
see
I
all this.
first I then CI/CD pipeline.
Yeah.
Then on that case we have to
Yeah.
the things.
Hmm.
On still
Okay.
on here you have no question, correct?
No, no, it's unclear. This.
Now you can create the basic.
Yeah.
So then you can show how to create the basic. Can you show, or you can create? You have task. I give the task, then you can create the basic and show me.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So if you any confusion, then we can show, because on the epic we only in the basic we have three things on here.
Three things. There is no.
One is a
Yeah.
one is a epic. Okay. Second
Hmm.
is a issue. Third is
Hmm.
a task. Only
Hmm.
three things on the basic.
Hmm.
You can get, suppose that we have
There
created the
is
epic. Okay,
there is
we have
no
created the
user
epic.
story, no feature. Hmm.
No feature, like we have created the epic. We have epic
Hmm.
website,
Hmm.
website update.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the epic. Inside the epic, we have issue. Like
Hmm.
this is a epic,
Hmm.
epic. Okay, inside we have issue,
Hmm.
secure, sign in. Okay, this is a issue.
Hmm.
Okay, this issue, or you can say this is issue, and how to fix this issue. We have created a task. Secure, fix, sign, fix, sign in, fix, sign in. This is a task inside the issue.
Hmm.
This is a hierarchy.
Okay.
Okay, epic,
Hmm.
then create the issue, then create the task
Hmm.
inside the basic. This is a structure.
Okay.
If you have any confusion,
Yeah.
now we can create on here.
No, it's okay.
Okay,
No.
so please show me this basic. This is a task for you.
Okay. So you want
Okay,
to right now or tomorrow?
yeah,
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Wednesday.
You
Yeah.
can
Wednesday. I'll show you on Wednesday.
yeah,
Wednesday. Wednesday. Mm,
yeah, if you want to show me, just I go on here. I tell me I am creating on here. Tell me how to do
mhm.
step by step.
Oh, okay. Okay. Then it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Now you can go to first.
New
Uh,
project,
a new project. You can get a new project.
SPNet, SPNet Core 103. Correct on here. Now tell me, this is a basic. Correct.
Yeah. Just choose the basic. Yeah. We did it under the gate.
Okay. Now,
Yeah. So now
now,
go to boards, then work items, then
correct.
backlog. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. You can
this is
first you can create the yeah. Yeah, you have to create the epic.
it, like
Yeah.
website
Yeah. You have to, yeah. Website.
updates.
hmm Yeah. Now the save. Now go to backlogs.
Now go to the backlogs.
hmm So now yeah, we have to select the epic. Then you have to add issues.
Yeah, yes, add the issues. Like add
Then
the issues
task.
on here.
hmm
Hello, uh, hello, bird, uh, website.
Yeah. Then
Okay,
under issues, we have to add the
task,
task. Mhm.
design, welcome, screen. Okay, now go
Yeah.
to the,
Then yeah, yeah,
now on here, assign this,
task to yeah someone.
assign this task. If you want, if you not assign the task here, I go to,
Yeah.
I create the split.
Yeah.
Okay, I we want to change the split, but not change
Nice. Name is not changing. It's okay.
background. Now I create the split.
hmm
Split we can do on here. Name is March. March split. 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 Date 1 to 30. 1. Okay. Project is a
Yep. hmm
103. Correct.
Yep.
Now
Now we can assign this.
now on here. Okay. Drag and drop on here.
Yeah.
What not coming?
You have to drop down. Yeah. Drop down. Not in the sprint.
103 team backlog.
Yeah. But you have to put it on top of the sprint one. Drag and drop.
But I create
Oh
these
yeah.
things
Oh,
only.
first you have to schedule. Oh, scheduling. We did the scheduling.
This is a split March 1.
hmm
But March
We do not
1,
have this. We have to schedule first. Okay.
March, this is March, correct? On
hmm
here, uh, I'll go to the backlog
hmm
on here. Okay, now you can see on here, this is fine.
hmm
Okay, March split,
Yeah.
but not assign task. So we want to assign
Yeah.
the task on here.
Task.
Drag and drop on here. Okay, now
hmm
you can see split. This is a task. Okay, now
hmm
assign this task to the
Someone.
translator. Correct?
Yep.
Understand? This is a basic.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Basic one. Yeah.
And this is a basic. Second is a agile. Third is a scrum.
hmm
Same things in the scrum. We have
Yeah.
in the scrum we have some change on here scrum like scrum. Like scrum, we have created the epic on there, and second is
hmm
a feature.
hmm
Now we have created the feature. On after that on there, and the name is a product backlog item.
hmm
After that, you can create product backlog item PBI. Product backlog item, that means PBI.
hmm
PBI. PBI. And now we have created the task. This is a sequence in the Scrum.
hmm There
Okay.
is no bugs in the Scrum.
Also bug. This is on here bug.
Yeah,
This is a bug.
or task class bug. Okay,
Yeah, this
the
is sequence
combined. Okay,
on here feature. On here no story. Story
yeah,
replaced
no
to the story replaced to the product backlog item.
product backlog items. Yeah.
This is a difference on the Scrum and Agile.
Hmm.
And I create down here only for
Yeah,
2 minutes. I just create.
yeah,
Go
yeah.
to the on here. I create the project. Uh, SPNet SPNet 4104. Now select the drop down, put the Scrum and create. Okay. Now go to the board.
Item
Okay.
epic
Now
first.
first go to the Epic.
Epic.
On here create the Epic phase one customer access and this is one Epic. Second Epic. Second Epic. We have created the Epic support mobile. Support mobile apps. Save. Okay. Now go to the on here feature. Okay. Now go to the setting. Epic checkbox.
Yeah, we have to.
Save. Now go to the backlog board, backlog. Now Epic. Okay. We have to Epic
Yeah, so epic. Now we have to
and
create
now create the
feature. Mhm.
yes feature. Customer on phase one. Customer on phase one. Okay. And on here I create the this is a feature. Inside the
Product,
feature I create
product, product backlog.
on here it is coming product backlog item.
Hmm.
Just 1 second. Yes, sorry. And now I've created the product backlog item.
Backlog item. Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
on here request what? Okay. This is product backlog item. Now again backlog item I create on Okay. Now inside the I have created the task.
Mm-hmm.
Request support. Uh, Fix request support. Okay, this is task. And on here, on fix. Okay, this is one task on here. Okay, so on here I create the split merge split mass split date '31 project this project.
Mm-hmm.
Now create. Okay, now drag and drop
Move
this
title.
task
Mm-hmm.
on here and this task also on here. Now go to the split. Okay, now
And
so
assign it.
assigned to Chansiker. Assigned to Chansiker. Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
a Scrum. Only difference on here you can see now
Yeah.
you can see in the backlog board. In the
But
board you can see these things on here. Same things is
yeah.
here. Approve. Okay, approve, commit, and done. These things also change on there. Commit, done. Okay, this
Yep.
field on there change. But
Okay. Sounds good. Mm-hmm.
same things on here in the if you want to basic on there. Just I go again on the
Yeah.
project 3 basic project 3 on here go to the board okay now you can see on here doing
Yeah.
done. This is a
Yeah.
difference on here doing done, correct?
Yeah. But we cannot add more column here. We can. No, it doesn't
Yeah,
give any option to add.
yes, this is also difference. We
Yeah.
cannot add the column on here.
We cannot add the column, right? Only just
Yeah,
three.
yeah, we
Oh,
cannot
okay.
add the column on here. This is a difference on
Yeah.
here.
Mm-hmm. We cannot also the test.
Move
So
column,
yeah,
move
yeah,
column,
we can add. Yeah.
move column, iteration, but not add
Mm-hmm.
column.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm.
This is a
Yeah.
difference on here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And you know if you want to do remember with the agile again go to the
Yeah, it has all
agile
these things.
agile on okay
Number four, two, two.
two go to the board. Okay, now board. Okay, on here new active resolve close.
Mm-hmm.
New active resolve close.
Mm-hmm.
This is a agile. Now you can
Yeah.
difference. Now you understand, maybe confusion here.
Yeah. No, you
Mm,
can. Yeah, it's okay.
yeah, this is a difference. On here, new active
Yeah.
resolve close. Okay, and on the basic doing done.
Mm-hmm.
And in the Scrum, then I check in the Scrum, new in progress, commit, approve. New, approve, commit, in progress, commit. This is a difference. Scrum. Okay, this is
Yeah.
a board header is changed on there, and
Yeah.
task assignment is changed. This is a difference in the Scrum. Okay, and one is
Yep.
a CMMI. one is a CMMI. CMMI.
Yeah.
On here, also same things. Create the epic.
Hmm.
Okay. Now create the feature.
Feature.
Okay. After that, I change on here. I change on here. We have requirement.
Okay.
Requirement. Okay. After requirement, we have create the task.
Task.
Task or bug.
Okay.
This is a things on here. Now I just create the project on here.
Hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5. I create the project 5. SP net core 5. On here, change the CMMI.
CMI.
Create. Okay, now go to the board and now create item. Okay,
Oh, it is
now
sorted.
create item epic. Okay, on create the epic name is service status. Service status. Save. Now pick website updates. Okay, this is it. Now go to the backlog and do setting on here. A checkbox on here. Okay. Now, okay, now you can see difference in requirement. Epic.
Yep.
Go to the epic. Inside the epic, we have add the feature web pages. Now add the improve user experience. Emotion, feedback. No. Okay. Now I add the requirement in this feature. Cancel order form. Inside the requirement, we have created the task or bug. Suppose we have created the bug.
But
So response and secure sign in. Okay. And same things if you want to on here website update service support service support. Okay, on here add the requirement lookup service. What is this? Now on here add bug Guys. Okay, now I create this. I now create the
Mhm.
sprint.
Sprint.
Sprint March SPLIT split. Okay, now
Drag and drop.
drag and drop. This drag and drop. Now open the split. Okay, now assign this tag on this. Okay, now this is proposed to assign the task to music. Okay, this shown here. Now go to the board.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah,
now
it also have
see. Okay, propose, active,
active
resolve,
season
closed.
closed.
These things on here. Okay,
Yeah.
now understand the four things on here.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll practice then. Yeah, we'll connect again Wednesday
Yeah,
morning.
yeah, yeah.
My time, your time is Wednesday night.
Correct, correct.
Yeah,
Okay.
11:30, right? My time.
Yeah, yeah. 11:30. After
Okay. Yeah.
11:30, 10 minute or 15-minute late.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Just